Good morning students. In this video I am going to give you the complete solutions of the chapter The Kabuliwala. So this video is for class 6 subject English. So let us start. So first answer, as you can see students, यहाँ पर ध्यान देना है, क्वेश्चंस आपको बुक से ही, चूँकि बुक में दिया हुआ है और वीडियो ज़्यादा लंबा ना हो उसके लिए मैंने क्वेश्चन नहीं लिखा है, सिर्फ आंसर्स को ही मैंने यहाँ पर लिखा हुआ है। सो क्वेश्चन आप वहाँ से देख सकते हैं। सो फर्स्ट आंसर इज मिनी वॉज द ओनली चाइल्ड ऑफ द नरेटर and his wife. She was 5 years old at the beginning of the story. And answer 2. Minnie's mother was very concerned for her child. She ever told Minnie's father to keep an eye on the Kabuliwala because she thought that Kabuliwala may kidnap her little daughter. But Minnie's father enjoyed this very much because he knew that the Kabuliwala loved his daughter very much. And answer 3 is the narrator or author was working on his new novel. And answer 4 is Ram Dayal was the gatekeeper. Minnie said to her father, Ram Dayal calls a crow a carrow. And answer 5 is there is an elephant in the clouds. It blows water out of its trunk, and that is why it rains. Answer 6 is Minnie fled to her mother for protection, overcome by terror. And answer 7, as you can see student, Minnie had a blind belief that inside the big man's bag there were 2 or 3 other children like herself. And answer 8, the author had her brought out to get rid of her false fear. And answer 9 is the author saw that they were laughing and talking to each other. And answer 10 is the Kabuliwala gave the coin to Minnie. Answer 11, the Kabuliwala had overcome the child's fears by a bribery of nuts and almonds. And answer 12 is the Kabuliwala was taken or sent to jail because he had violently attacked a customer with a knife. 4, denying a purchase made from him. No, he was not a criminal. And here answer 13, No, Minnie forget the Kabuliwala as she grew older. The author was ashamed to think about it. Answer 14. The author was very surprised to see the Kabuliwala. He thought that his coming was not a good sign because it was the day of Minnie's marriage. Answer 15 is indeed. Indeed means as a matter of fact, or actually Minnie reminded him of his daughter whom he missed more. And last, this is answer number 16. The Kabuliwala was surprised to see Minnie in her wedding dress. That's all. Thank you very much.